Daylight Transport is a less than truckload freight carrier. We move freight across country. We use two-man driver teams to move it in an expedited manner, so we can move freight from California to New York in 2 days. We came to Billtrust to help with our cash applications process. At the time, we had a cash application specialist that was manually entering the remittance information for 1,500 invoices a day. Billtrust allowed us to scan the checks and the remittance advices and use OCR technology to extract the information off the paper document and to correlate it to the open invoices. This has changed our cash application process. The cash application specialist is now spending their time resolving the exceptions as opposed to the manual data capture. Originally, it was taking 2.5 days to apply the cash. Now, all cash remittances are applied by the end of the business day. This is making the information more accurate for the collectors when they're contacting the customers and to collect on open invoices and making the process more efficient. The two major Billtrust products we use is cash applications and invoicing. Over time, new features have been added to both products. With cash applications, it's initially started with scanning checks, and we added the ACH direct deposit correlation. And with invoicing, we were primarily started with the print and mail of invoices, and over time we added e-invoicing and the payment portal. Our initial ask with the invoicing was to get better tracking of the mailed and the paper invoices. With the e-invoicing, it's get the invoices to a customer faster and more reliably with the same tracking functionality. The greatest benefit we found with Billtrust is the accuracy of the accounts receivable information. So with the cash application, the collectors have confidence that the remittances are being applied to the open invoices accurately. And with the invoicing product, we know that it's being delivered to the customer in a timely manner. And we've got tracking of the invoices from initial submission to the delivery to the customer. This makes it easier to collect on open receivables. And we can measure that with our day sales outstanding. Prior to coming to Billtrust, our day sales outstanding was averaging about 34 days. Currently, we've got that down into the 29 to 30 day range. So it's a good 4-day improvement, a good 15% improvement in a day sales outstanding and cash collection cycle. I recommend Billtrust as a complete solution for the order to cash process. It handles the cash application, the invoice distribution, the customer portal in terms of receiving cash, and the collections management tool. We've been working with Billtrust for over 10 years, and we've grown from about 1,500 invoices a day to close to 4,000 at current levels. Billtrust has been able to scale with us, and we've been able to keep our headcount consistent and still get the same level of service.